Nagulat kayo, no? Akala niyo magnanakaw lang. Nagkakamali kayo. Ako nga pala si Gerald Valencia, 21 years old, Mr. Pogi ng Pateros. Beautiful girls all over the world, I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. Yeah, oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. It's so sad that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. I know you feel where I'm coming from, regardless of the things in the past that I've done. Most of it really was for the whole of the fun, and the carousels around us fun. With no direction, just trying to get some, trying to chase skirts, living in the summer sun. And so I lost where now I never won, and honestly, I ended up with none. I've been to London, I've been to Paris, even well to Tokyo, back home down to Georgia, to New Orleans, but you always did the show. And just like that, you got me froze, like a Nintendo 64. If you never knew, now you know. When I see your